guys, welcome to my IGTV. Today I'm going to talk about face oils or serums. I have had many questions regarding these in my DMs. I have been using these oils since a week or so, and I'm getting lots of compliments that people can see that I have a very glowing skin. I have a very bright skin now, and also there were scars on my face which are reduced, the acne scars which are reduced. So I'm going to tell you a secret today. I have two oils from Ozone Signature. One is Guduchi Tel and one is Kanak Tel. These both oil helps in brightening the skin. If we talk about Guduchi Tel, it moisturizes and relieves the dryness. Also, it nourishes your skin plus hair. It is very good for your hair. And here I have Kanak Tel. It again brightens your complexion, but it also delays signs of aging. If you are in your mid-30s or late 20s or in between your 30s, 40s, then Kanak Tel is something which will help a lot in your skin, in the signs of aging. Also, it reduces the appearance of dark circles. As we all know, how our lifestyle is, and we tend to work till late hours and everything, and we tend to grow these dark circles. We have these dark circles under our eyes. So Kanak Tel is something which will help you a lot in that. I have been using both the oils simultaneously, and I can definitely see the difference in my skin. My scars are reduced, my pimple marks are reduced. So I'll show you. I don't know if you can see it, but I have 2-3 pimple marks here, and I had few here, like the very light ones I had here, but they are no more visible to me. These are still visible, but it looks much better now because of these two oils, and I want to thank Ozone Signature for making something like this. Also, I would like to tell you, these both oils have sesame oil in their ingredient, and the best part about sesame oil is it is very lightweight, and it absorbs in your skin and the layers of your skin very quickly. So I'm going to show you a very quick step how to use the oils. So let's start with the Kanak oil. I have been using it from 2 weeks, I would say, and I can see the.
So you have to use 5 to 6 drops at night on a freshly cleansed skin. Also, on the affected area, you need to dab generously. On the rest of the face as well, apply a thin layer and let it work and absorb overnight. Also, one of the thing is you can use it on dark circles and on concerned area firstly, and then use it all over your face. And that way it will work properly. So yeah.
And if you're buying a face serum or a face oil, never forget to buy this roller. This is a face roller, and you have to apply your oil using this only, because first of all it increases the blood circulation. Always use it in upward motion, never use it in downward. Okay, so always use this in upward motion. And this product, this is a very good investment if you are somebody who uses serum or face oil. So I would say this is a very good purchase, because as I told you, it increases your blood circulation, and also it helps in the penetration of oil very easily. So as you can see, the oil is no more visible on my skin. It is already penetrated because of the sesame oil. It has the higher rate of penetration. It absorbs quickly. So as you can see, I have no oil on my face. Yeah, so this is how you use the oil, any oil if you're using. Also, I would like to tell you a little bit about how you can use these oils or serums. So if you are someone who don't have time to do all this, what you can do is you can take 1 or 2 drops in your moisturizer and apply it and go. Also, you can use it on your freshly washed face the moment in the morning or going to the bed at the night. So you can wash your face and apply the oil and relax. You can sleep. It will work overnight. Apart from that, you can mix it in any moisturizer, in any cream. Do let me know if you have any questions regarding any oil, Kanak or Guruchi oil. I would love to answer that. Just keep in mind that these oils are very beneficial for your skin and hair, and I can definitely see the difference in my skin and in my hair. So yeah, you can go ahead and buy it. So thank you for watching my video. Bye, hope to see you soon.